Alrighty, we are live. How you doing, Nora?
I'm very good. I'm very excited. Michael, how about you?
I'm amazing. Thanks for coming, everybody. We are live, the 10-year anniversary of the 5ers. We have a huge event coming right now.
Exactly. A lot of surprises, a lot of exclusive offers, and a special release for your new programs. And for sure, don't forget to leave your email on the link on the chat in order to save your spot for our big giveaways of $2 million,
That's
Michael.
incredible. And for now, let me get to know you guys. You can write in the chat where you're from, what are you trading, for how long you've been with us at the 5ers. During this event, we're also going to have Gil, the founder, is going to have his speech. Make sure you watch it carefully. And Nora, let's get to know the people here,
Yeah,
right?
exactly. That is behind me. All the teams are gathering right now to celebrate a huge milestone, Michael.
Yeah.
It's 10 years of funding you. So let's get to know the team much more.
Alrighty, let's look for Nitzan. Where are you, Nitzan? Hey, how are you doing, Nitzan?
How are you?
I'm all right. So, Nitzan, tell us a little bit about what you do. Which department do you work with?
I'm in the design studio. I'm one of the graphic designers. Basically, anything visual that you guys see, we're responsible for.
That's incredible because you guys have an amazing job, doing a great job out there. Tell us something special about the department that no one knows.
I think one of the things that makes us really good as a department, as a group, is that we're really good friends and we bounce ideas off of each other and we work together really well, and we couldn't get to the results that we get to without that.
Thank so much, Nitzan.
Well, thank
Give it
you,
up,
Nitzan.
guys, at home for Nitzan.
Thank you, Nitzan.
Make some noise.
Yeah. Well, let's get to know another one, Michael.
Yeah.
I do have a lot of teams here behind me.
One of my
So,
favorite,
yeah.
definitely. Here we go.
Hello, here's Carlo. Please join me and welcome Carlo here.
Hi guys. Hi.
Carlo, could you just share with us a little bit what do you do here at the 5ers? Which department are you from?
I work for the marketing team, part of the 5ers marketing team. I'm mainly responsible for sending the cheeky email campaigns, giving out credits here and there, fund the trader interviews.
That's cool. So you are the man behind all of this on the social and the marketing, is that correct?
Partly, yes.
Oh, okay, that's very cool. So, Carlo, would you just share with us something small or what you like the most about your team working in the marketing?
What I like about the team is that we're very finance-minded. A lot of us lost a lot of money in the market. So we know the pain that you guys go through, guys. So we're here. We're going to continue to fund you for the next 10 years.
Carlo, we do have our trading room live every day, so maybe you can just check it, right?
No, you'll lose money. Don't follow me.
No. Thank you, Mike. Thank you,
Thanks so
Willie.
much,
Thank
Carlo.
you, Carlo.
Alrighty. Next one in line, yes. Give it
Yes,
up to
a big
Carlo,
applause to Carlo.
our guy. Righty, Benji. How you doing, buddy?
Good. How's everybody doing?
We're doing all right. It's an excited moment right now. Tell us what do you do?
So I work here in the risk management department, so I get to pay attention to the charts and make sure everybody is trading the capital properly.
That's amazing. Any special thing you want to share with us that no one knows?
I guess I'm addicted to the markets and then outside of work.
For sure, for sure. Most of us are. This is why it works so well. We actually knows exactly what you guys doing every single day, and we're excited about giving
Yeah.
you more solution, more offers for that. Alrighty.
Exactly.
Thanks
Thank
so
you.
much,
Thank you,
Benjamin.
Benjamin.
Give it
Thank
up.
you. Thank you. And I do believe, Michael,
Yeah.
I'm going to meet another one, a very also interesting one, Jonathan. Jonathan, can you just join
One
me
of our
here?
youngest.
Jonathan, could you just share with us a bit what do you do at the 5ers, on which team you're working with?
Yeah, I'm the Futures Marketing Manager, working in the marketing department.
Oh, that's cool. A lot of traders, our traders are waiting for the futures.
Yeah, we got a lot of big surprises coming. I hope everybody is excited because we're coming.
So do we, to be honest.
Yeah.
So Jonathan, also share with us a small thing about being on the future marketing department, or maybe special things that our traders really don't know about it.
So slowly we're revealing things. As you guys could see today, overnight trading is coming to futures, so it's going to be very, very
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah,
a lot of good stuff are coming. But we won't give everything away, but we'll just start with that. And yeah.
Cool.
Great job.
We're really excited for the futures as well. Thank you, Jonathan, for
thank you,
sharing
guys.
this.
Yeah.
Thank
Thanks so
you.
much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. All right.
I do believe, Michael, the camera cannot really be enough to cover all
Observe
the teams
everything,
and
right?
observing everything behind us. And it's really exciting just to hear also from our teams.
For sure. And we have prepared a video that basically summarized everything, the last 10 years that we did here. So let's go ahead and watch it. You guys are ready?
Yeah.
Congrats, the 5ers.
Congrats, the 5ers.
Let's go.
In 2015, it began with a single belief that talent should never be limited by capital, that every trader deserves a real opportunity to learn, perform, and grow into something meaningful. From day one, this vision was shaped with you in mind. What started as an idea to fund the top 5% evolved into a global movement. It didn't happen overnight, but every step forward brought us closer to who we are today. Along the way, and still today, we are proud to play a role in the journeys of our traders. Their wins, their lessons, their persistence. We didn't just set standards, we raised them. We didn't just build a platform, we built a culture rooted in transparency, integrity, and commitment to trader success. Milestones became memories, partnerships became friendships, and a vision became the industry benchmark. Today, we stand here not just as a company, but as a community, more committed than ever to leading the decade ahead. To the traders who believed when it was just an idea, thank you. For 10 years of the 5ers, the best is yet to come. In 2015, it began with a single belief.
And we're back. That was an excited video for sure.
It was really excitement video just to watch a decade of our journey here with the traders. It was absolutely a really visionary and a good one.
Real, definitely. Alrighty, so, it all started with one belief, one vision, right?
Exactly, Michael. All of that started with one and clear belief. Trading is a skill, and talented traders deserve access to financial markets, and they do deserve an opportunity. And all of that started with one pioneer. Please join me in welcoming the founder of the 5ers, Gil Ben-Hur.
Hello, Nora.
Hey, Gil, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm really good. Gil, I do believe you to have special words to say to our traders.
Yeah, just few modest words.
Okay, cool. So I'm going to leave you with our traders.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. Good day, everyone. Thank you for joining. This morning, I woke up and I just realized it's a decade. It's a full 10 years. And for me, it only seems like yesterday. And it's just amazing to understand that what we've done is what we've achieved is so amazing and so wonderful. And it's just started with almost a naive idea of what I wanted to do for myself and my fellow traders, and eventually it evolved to become a full industry that actually challenging the traditional trading space, and that's something that I'm really amazed and being grateful to be part of. Until 10 years ago, there was a phrase saying it takes money to make money. And we've broken that formula and created a new one. Now trading is a profession, regardless if you have capital, regardless if you need to come with the resources, you just need to provide a skill, be that person, and that opened the gate for so many millions in the world, from every corner in the world. Now you can just be a professional trader with no resources, just providing your skill. In a way, we are the gate opener for the retail trading space, and we've created something that absolutely challenges everything that we knew from the beginning of the financial markets. Now it's you come with a skill and you just nail it. We built the program at the beginning based on what I know as an elite, the elite traders guidelines, which something that was not accessible for retail traders. They didn't have that kind of leadership, mentorship, work frame that elite traders used to have in their hedge fund, in their offices, the environment, the supportive, and they didn't have this. So we've created this, and we realized that taking traders for endless amounts and variety of disciplines means that we need to find a common ground for everyone to be qualified and tested for to be a funded trader. And so we realized that it's a risk management, it's about discipline and behavior, the mentality aspect of trading. And so we've built the evaluation plan and the whole funding plan based on these foundations. And then that was created, was the foundation of the industry, the whole industry. So the whole industry became very successful today. It's a very big hype and a tectonic change in the retail space. And we know it's good because it's something that you cannot rewind backward. People got used to the idea that they cannot take it back. And we know it by just the numbers. We have millions of new traders stepping in and start playing and participating in the game of financial markets where they could not do this before. We read client feedbacks. They tell us that our guidelines for risk management, these are the framework, the guardian trails that tells traders that they're doing good, and they appreciate the rules. They saying they become a better traders because we provide them the framework of professionals. And the most important fact is that we're seeing over the past decade many increasing numbers of passing rates. These are this is the key piece of information that tells us that we're doing good. Not the brokers and not the educators 10 years back couldn't make these success rates like the funding programs industry do. So now we're looking forward to the next 10 years ahead, and we have many, many new challenges and exciting opportunities where tech is evolving in paces like you can imagine, artificial intelligence and algo trading, but something that will remain forever is the 5ers DNA, which is people first. It means that we always see the need of you, what traders do want to accomplish in their lives. We want to play an active role in your progression, in your trading journey to become professionals. We'll keep providing the structure to provide you knowledge and skill and the opportunity so you can own your financial destiny. We're proud to take part in your past decade journey, and we will be honored to deepen our relationship in the next to come. Thank you for your faith with the 5ers, and we're here for you forever.
Thank you, Gil. It was really inspiring and visionary. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Nora.
So much. I really appreciate it. Well,
Thank you.
Thanks so much, Gil.
It was really visionary.
Yeah, you know, I've been here for a while, and I heard Gil's story many times. But it's always incredible to hear it again and just grasp
Yeah, everything
the
just
feeling, the
happened,
idea, and
yeah,
the
exactly.
solution.
Everything just happened in the past 10 years, and to be honest, I can't wait to see whatever we're just heading for on the next decade.
For sure. Alrighty. So now it's time to celebrate you guys as well. You've been with us for a while. It's time to give you some awards. Let's start with the first one. We had for the last few weeks, we chose from our community the guys that been with us for the longest time, the guys that got paid the most, and more. Let's bring the first one in, which is the guy that been with us for the longest time.
Exactly.
Alrighty, are you online? Okay, let's see him. Gary, can you hear us? Yes, perfectly. We will see you in a second. So, Gary, for those of you not familiar, has been with us for many years. Is a tutor, is a trader, he got his own community as well, but always stayed close to the 5ers. We met a few years ago, we met maybe 2 or 3 years ago, we met in London.
Oh, nice.
I gotta say, he's a buddy for sure. Here it is, Gary Langley. Give it up, guys.
Well, Gary, congratulations.
Thank you very
Sure.
much.
So, Gary, you've been in the market for a while now. Tell us what got you to stick with the 5ers. What it is in the 5ers that you found, your home, basically.
I can sum that up with one word: trust. We work in an industry that's full of sharks. And I've met you guys, I've been out for dinner with you guys, but ultimately, I trust you. And that's why I stay. Loyalty is a big thing for me.
For sure. That was a balloon behind us. Exactly right at the right moment, exactly as you finish.
Celebrate a party
I
popper,
totally
eh?
agree with you. Yeah. So agree with you 100%. I mean, at the end of the day, especially with our industry, and when we're talking about finance, you want a company that you can rely on, can trust, a trustworthy company, and that's happy to hear that, Gary, for sure.
Exactly. Trust is everything, to be honest,
you're
especially
very
in
welcome, and
financial markets.
thank you very much.
Yeah.
Well, congratulations, Gary, again.
Congrats. Thanks so much, buddy.
Okay.
Alrighty. Our next one.
The next one, because the 5ers, we do really care about our community. Also, on the past few years, we've made sure just to also give a word for the Community Champion Award. It's going to be Daniel. Daniel, are you with us?
Hello, everyone. How are
Hey,
you doing?
Daniel, congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's a
Well,
pleasure to be here on the 10th year day.
thank you. Thank you. It's a pleasure as well for us. Daniel, they used to say that trading is an individual journey. However, at the 5ers, we've seen how powerful the trading community is on supporting traders. So what do you think the most unique thing about the 5ers community, in your opinion?
That we take care about each other instead of putting down each other, like we see in many other businesses and forums. It's a very unique place to be. My first day, as you know, it was 2019. And the first thing I checked was if they had an office or if you had an office. I saw images of people instead of just name and an address. Very important because, as you know, I've been trading for a few years or more, 27 by now. But it's this credibility, and like Scruffy said there, it's trust is a very important issue in this industry because everyone is an expert, best in everything, and it's so easy to go the wrong way. So, I mean, there are many props out there, and I always stayed in the Discord, as you know, and with the 5ers and the people. I mean, it's the members, it's the office, it's the support, and so on. It's traders, normal people that you can reach. That's it.
Well, thank
Yeah.
you so much, Daniel, for such a great share of all of that about the Discord, and for those that didn't really join the Discord community. So also take a shot and be there. There
Yeah.
is a lot to be aware of.
I mean, yeah, as traders, community is part of what we need because trading is very solo game, right? So definitely a strong community that supports you and help you grow. That's exactly what you need in order to reach the next level.
Exactly, and I do believe there is a third word, Michael.
Let's do that. So let's welcome Musso, the highest number of payouts that ever got in the Fivers. Musso, you with us?
Hey, hello. How are you? I'm here.
Amazing, buddy. We can hear you well. Congrats on the award. That's a huge achievement, of course.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it for the award, and I'm really happy to hear that that I have the highest number of the payouts.
That's incredible. And let me ask you this, because I'm sure the guys at home, they're watching it right now, are super interested to hear about how you did it. So just give us one strong tip on, first of all, why the Fivers, and second, how you did it on the trading part.
Yeah, if we look for the first answer, how I did, the only thing is the psychology and the strategy and discipline. That's all. I follow my strategy, and with discipline, I didn't how to say change my strategy one by one, and I stick for one strategy, and I just worked with this strategy. As a profitable trader, I chose the 5 years because they reward consistency, not gambling, and also my edge in the market it comes from patience and psychology and the strict management. The 5 years exactly rewards this one. I mean the discipline and the consistency, and the most I like from the 5 years is the scaling model, because this model gives the traders the opportunity to grow series capital over the time, which makes may long it's long term vision.
Yeah, I get that for sure. Definitely consistency over gambling. You know, is at the end of the day, we're talking about trading,
Exactly.
right? So
Discipline, consistency, risk management, everything.
for sure. Thanks so much again, Musa, for coming.
Congratulations.
Congrats
Thank you very
on
much.
that
Really appreciate
big
it.
achievement for sure. And Nora, maybe the next one.
Yeah, the last one,
Yeah.
the last award today will be for the Affiliate Excellence Award for the prop firm match. I think we have John, the CTO and the co-founder from prop firm match joining me right now. John, are you with me?
Yes, I'm with you. Hi, Michael.
Congratulations, John. Thank you so
Congrats.
much for joining us today. And I do believe if I'm going to talk about our industry, specifically transparency and trust are really matter right now, and specifically in platforms like yours, the prop firm match, where all the traders can fairly and compare, like all the firms. Why do you think the Fivers consistently attracts the traders?
Yeah, absolutely. That's a great question. And first off, thanks for having me. Really honored to receive this award on behalf of Prop Match. So to answer the question, I think the Fivers attracts traders for the same reason Prop Match exists. Traders are looking for firms they can actually trust. So I know that word's been thrown a lot around by a few others. So that's mainly it. That traders trust the Fivers. So yeah, in an industry where firms come and go, the Fivers has been around for years and built a real track record. So we all know, traders talk, especially when they feel wronged, when they feel like they can't trust a firm. And when you consistently pay out and have clear rules and treat people fairly, that also spreads. And we can see that traders have a lot of great things to say about the Fivers. And that's what we see on our platform. The Fivers are consistently getting strong reviews. You currently have a 4.8 plus rating on our website with over 1,000 reviews, and that speaks for itself. All of our reviews are verified by real traders, are verified by our support team, and they're all real traders that are giving you this rating. So that's really amazing to see, and it's from your community, and it's because you've built the trust over time. So yeah, at the end of the day, traders want to know their hard work will be rewarded, and the 5ers delivers on that promise.
Well, thank you so much, John,
Yeah. Thanks so much, John.
for this. Thank you so much, and congratulations again.
Great feedback. Congrats.
Thank you. Thank you.
Alrighty, guys. So for you, that was incredible, first of all. I mean, the guys, the dedication, the traders, the
Exactly.
community. But let's continue to our announcement. I mean, we're here not just to celebrate the 10 years, but actually we have some big news coming.
Yeah, exactly, Michael. I do believe all of our traders are waiting for our release, for our new programs. And therefore, I would love also to ask you to join me in welcoming our CEO, Sol.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
How you doing,
Hey
Sol?
Michael, how you doing? Great to be here.
I'm doing amazing. It's a great day today, you know, celebrating the 10 year. We've been in the game for a long time, and we still got a lot to share.
We do. I mean, we've seen it all, you know, the downs, the ups, the development of the industry. And as every company, the 5ers is always growing and expanding, and that's what we're here for today.
For sure, for sure. So, drum rolls.
Okay, guys, we got 3 more surprises to the end of the stream, and probably the biggest and more significant is coming right now.
Yeah.
Michael, we've been you know, seeing the industry evolve. We've always been a leader in the CFDs industry, and I know there's more demand, and there's people willing for the 5ers to expand their offer. We've done it in the past with Trade a Pool, where we offered U.S. stocks traders the ability to have funding.
Yeah.
And today we're expanding officially
to the futures industry.
The futures industry.
And you know, so the futures industry is huge, and we are definitely ready to conquer that and get our, you know, leg into the door, as he said. Because at the end of the day, the idea is to offer everyone, all the traders, the equal opportunities. So whether you trade in Forex, futures, stocks, in the future, crypto as well, etc., we're here to share the knowledge, to share the experience, and offer the solution to everyone.
Absolutely. So we're introducing 2 different programs, and we thought a lot, and we did a lot of research and gathered a lot of data to be able to integrate and to include the 5ers DNA into these programs. We 100%. Just don't want to offer something else that it's already out. We want to make it bigger, right?
Exactly. And we're talking about innovation, and we're talking about, of course, trust, as a lot of the other guys mentioned there. So let's share it.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right.
So the first program is called the
Basecamp. And the Basecamp is for the new guys. You know, you just started trading futures, whether you came from Forex or just started to trade, start with the Basecamp. The Basecamp is basically with the lowest entry cost, right? And of course, we will talk about the features and the benefits inside of all of those programs. But definitely, if you're new to trading or new to futures, start there.
Absolutely, because we're introducing very cool features into both programs. We'll get into those in more detail. And by the way, at the end of the session, we're going to have a FAQ session, a Q&A session with our traders on our Futures YouTube channel. We'll go into that later. So this is the basic program. The other program is called the Rebate program, which already in the name, it has one of the coolest features, which is granting traders the possibility to get back the commissions they
100%.
had during the day, right? We know as traders how much commissions many times, you know, affect your trading or your potential, your performance. So what we decided to do is at the end of every trading day, we're going to rebate the commissions back to the trader's account, which is super cool.
It's fantastic, really insane. As a trader, as you mentioned, you know, you always get to that point when you're break even if you take out the commissions. you will become profitable, right? And this is exactly what we did here. Obviously, first time in the industry, Forex and futures industry, rebating the commissions back to the guys.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I don't know. We should do it on the 5ers as well, on the CFD programs as well.
That's yours.
Anyway, so let's go through the highlights or the benefits of the programs.
Yeah.
First, we already mentioned the rebate. On the rebate program specifically, we have the commissions rebate, which is huge. Next huge feature.
Overnight trading. That's
Unheard.
the first time, first time in the industry. We allow you to hold your positions overnight. And you know, for guys that trade in gold, silver, NASDAQ, anything like that, you saw the volatility. Imagine you can hold your position overnight and not closing it like as it used to be in the industry.
Amazing. I think this is a game changer.
For sure.
So overnight holding allowed. News trading allowed. You're a great futures trader.
Yeah, I mean, you want to trade the news. You want to trade
Absolutely.
volatility. So if there is any news, and there are many every single day, you can now trade it together with us at the 5ers, for sure.
Amazing. The commission rebate, we already mentioned it. And something that it's included in all the 5ers program, it's part of the DNA of the programs of the 5ers, which is a scaling plan.
And it's new to the futures industry.
New to the
as well.
futures industry. Tell us more about it.
So basically, every time you reach a 10% target, we will push your buying power by 5%, and also the contract size will increase as well. So you can grow your account all the way to $500,000, and we automatically increase your contract number. The maximum contract number will increase as well. This is insane, guys.
Amazing. So again, we're going to get into more details later on, but just for traders to know, these are the two programs we're offering, the rebate and the base camp, and these are just a couple of the highlights that are going to be available.
For sure.
So
we're starting with a beta,
yep.
right? Because we want to test the water. We want to show you guys that we are serious about futures trading. So all you got to do is go to the hub, right? The regular hub, the 5ers hub. Once you're there, you can check or mark the futures, in the futures program basically, or the future feature, and then we will let you know whenever your account will be ready or whenever you can purchase there. We're gonna do it one step at a time.
Absolutely. So all you have to do is go to hub.the5ers.com, and we'll have your contact details, and we will let you know once your turn to buy a futures program is going to be available.
Yeah, and like Saul mentioned, at the end of this stream, we will redirect you automatically to the the Futures YouTube channel, where we will go over all of your questions, show you the programs in detail, and of course, the trading platform that we're going to use for that as well.
Amazing, amazing. Yeah, I'm super excited for the futures release. I think it's a great milestone in the company.
Yep.
And looking forward to see you all there taking part of the 5ers Futures.
All righty, good luck, guys.
Excellent. Thank you, Michael, for joining me for the futures launch.
Enjoy.
And let's welcome Nora again.
Nora, here we go.
Wow, thank you, Michael. Hub as well, maybe to save also space for me. Maybe I'm going to get the account. Well, we do have also another surprise.
Two more.
Yeah, another two.
Yeah.
Because there is a huge demand on the bootcamp account, the 20K. So it's going to be also available for our traders, starting with the $22. For all the traders that they were just looking for that, you can just go right now to the hub and purchase the bootcamp account 20K on $22.
Absolutely. We already have these requests for opening the 20K bootcamp program for buying, and it's a great opportunity to pay a low entry fund and apply for high capital. I mean, $22 for a 20K account, that's unheard. It's amazing.
It's
so
amazing.
As we speak, it should be already on and available for buying. So if you go to your Hubs guy, you can already grab your 20K bootcamp account.
The last and the one that I do believe our traders they have been waiting for, which is the giveaway.
The giveaway?
Yeah, exactly.
Let's do it.
We are offering a 2 million giveaway today. So we're going to start with 20 accounts, 10K of the high stakes. Let's see who are the winners.
Let's see the screen. Let's follow on the screen. We're raffling now 20 accounts.
Exactly, 20 accounts. Each one of them, they're gonna win
10K high stakes. So let's see the winners. Here you have it. Here you have them. They're popping on the screen now. Guys, congrats on all the winners. We are going to reach out to you. Please allow us until the end of the week. We are going to reach out to you.
It's amazing, yeah.
To send you the accounts. There's no need to contact support at this point until Friday.
We're going to make sure that each one of you will get the access to the free accounts. Congratulations for all of you.
That's amazing. So next raffle, we got 10 accounts for the high stakes 25K.
That's great.
Let's see the winners. Let's bring them. 10 lucky winners for the 20K, 25K high stakes accounts. Let's see the winners. They're coming now. Excellent, excellent. Thank you. Congratulations, guys. Please, let's keep them. Let's see them together. Here they are. So congratulations, guys, on your 25K accounts.
And the next one, also we do have another 3 accounts with 50K high stakes So yeah, it's going to be 50K.
Amazing.
So let's run who are the lucky ones with the 50K high stakes.
Here we have them. Here we have them, guys.
Yeah, congratulations.
We see the 3 winners. We're going to reach out to you guys during the week to give you the accounts.
Yeah, we're going to make sure to reach out to each one of you.
Congrats. So the next raffle, we're raffling 10 accounts for 20K bootcamp. 20K bootcamp accounts. 20 accounts.
Yeah, it's going to be 20.
Okay, 20 accounts. Let's see the winners. Let's see them on screen. Here they are. Let's see the winners. Here they're coming. Thank you guys for taking part on the giveaway. We're giving away 2 million in evaluation accounts, which is huge. Celebrating the 10 years with you guys. Very proud of this last decade.
Yeah, and I think all of them are also excited about receiving
we
the
keep
accounts.
We keep them seeing here on the screen. Looking good, looking good. Okay.
So here
they are.
Yeah,
again,
exactly,
congrats, guys, for these accounts. And let's go to the last one.
The last one, which is going to be 10 accounts with 100K bootcamps sold. So we're going to run right now the lucky 10 traders who's going to win 100K bootcamp for free. It's going to be also a good one.
And here they are, 10 lucky winners. They're getting their accounts. So again, 2 million in prizes. We're going to reach out to you guys. No need to contact support at this point. Allow us until the end of the week. We'll reach out to you guys with your accounts. Exactly. Excellent. So that's the giveaway.
Congratulations for everyone, for all of you guys. I do believe Saul. Maybe there is few words just to say at the end of this event.
Yeah, just to start wrapping up the event, we have a last surprise at the end. We have a video with partners and traders who send us their testimonials and their congratulations. We want to share with all of you. And then we're going to redirect you all guys to the 5ers Futures YouTube channel to answer some questions about the Futures program. But of course, guys, it's been a great journey. I've been in the company for more than 5 years now, and leading it for more than 3 now. And we've seen it all. We'll see the downs and the ups, and we've see the challenges, and we've adapted, and we've growing. And the impact and the community we've built, it's hard to describe in words. So I really want to thank all the traders, because you guys make all this possible, and you allow the company to keep growing, and the company to share its values with more and more, and the opportunity with more and more traders. So it's not about only here, the staff, the guys who work very hard to make this possible, but I'm very glad everyone had the opportunity to see what happens behind the scenes and how many people is required to allow the millions of traders that have come across, during these years. Every trade on your MetaTrader or your CTrader platforms go through a very long journey and very long processes to make that happen. And I'm very proud that everything we built and the milestones we've achieved. And I'm sure this is only the beginning of a very successful next decade.
Exactly. Thank you, Sol. And I can't wait, to be honest, for the next decade of the 5ers. I do believe a lot of things are coming. Thank you so much, Sol.
Thank you, Nora.
And for another 10 years. Congratulations for the 5ers.
Thank you to all the team members, and thank you traders for always being here, staying here, and see you soon.
See you.
Just want to say a massive shout out to everyone who's been a part of this journey, and a huge congratulations on this 10-year milestone. It has been super exciting to see traders' journeys unfold and sharing that journey with them, and I cannot wait to see what comes next.
Just want to shout out some love to the whole 5ers community. I joined about 3 years ago. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't have gotten funded. I feel truly honored to be in a position to serve you guys and give back everything that you gave to me. And, I'm looking forward to celebrating the 20th anniversary of the 5ers. So just thank you and congratulations to the 5ers. Big love. Big up the 5ers.
They have positively impacted my life in terms of networking, passive income, brand exposure, and many more.
A big happy birthday to you guys, the 5ers. 10 years, it has been a full decade, and what a journey it has been. It has been absolutely incredible, and I am super grateful. Thank you very much for welcoming me into your family and being part of the 5ers.
Very, very big thank you to the 5ers for helping me shape my trading career. Before now, I used to rush trades and chase results, but the 5ers gave me clear trading rules and structure.
I want to say a huge happy birthday, happy 10th birthday to the 5ers. Great news what you're doing over there, and continue to do the same thing, because you're shining a light for traders all over the world, and we thank you for it.
We want to congratulate you on your 10th anniversary.
We really love being part of your journey, and we're wishing you many more successful years ahead. Cheers to 10 years.
The 5ers is the most reliable prop firm in the space, and I can safely say that because they've proven themselves to be the most reliable time after time and time after time. And seeing how the prop firm space has been in the past few years is, I've been mentioning this before I even got affiliated with them, to go with the 5ers, go with the top firms only, meaning the 5ers.
Wishing you another 10 years of success and growth, and keep changing lives of people for the best.
Congratulations, Paul team. You have another decade of the greatest.
That's 10 years of dedication and hard work, devoting all of their efforts to building the best, most honest prop firm in the industry. 10 years of providing aspiring traders with the best conditions, a place to hone their skills, being a real force of good in the world of trading. A very happy birthday to the 5ers. Here's to many more years as being the best prop firm in the world.
Huge congratulations to the 5ers on their 10-year anniversary. Well done. You're obviously putting traders first to be in the game for as long as you are. Here's to another 10.
I'm happy to be part of the 5ers, especially as they celebrate 10 years, and I'm grateful to be growing here as a more consistent trader.
It's finally the firm that I can be sure they're gonna pay me out. They have very good trading conditions. The scale-up opportunity is so great that you just have to be consistent.
It's been an absolute pleasure working with your team, and we think that you guys built something truly special for traders worldwide. And we wish you even more growth, innovation, and many successful years ahead.
Firstly, I want to thank the 5ers affiliates for not just being a team, but a family that I can reach out to. Secondly, I want to thank the 5ers support team for always being there 24/7 when I have an inquiry to pass across. Last is the 5ers trading condition. I have been able to trade with ease.
Hi guys, I want to give you a big congratulations on 10 years in this strange industry. What a milestone that is. Personally, I've been part of that journey for the last 6 years this year, and I cannot say I'm more prouder, because it's helped me grow my own personal funds, help pay for this house, but more importantly, we may have come into this journey together as strangers, but we are definitely continuing it as friends. So here's to the next 10 years.
Congratulations.
10 years of the 5ers truly reflects the vision, value, and people behind the brand. Really proud to be part of such an incredible team.
A huge congratulations to the 5%ers on 10 years of supporting traders worldwide. Thank you for sharing the trading journey with me.
Well done, 5ers, for 10 years. Must have been an amazing ride. Well, may there be 100 more years of 5ers and even more. And I hope that the European arm of 5ers is a massive success and propels you to a global status. Peace and Mazal Tov.
Can you hear me now? All right. Well, first of all, let me say a very, very big happy birthday to the 5ers. I'm really, really happy, really excited to be here today.
Amazing. Thanks so much. And happy to have you also on board. Everyone is here. Can we start, guys? All righty. We're good to go. So thanks, everyone, for joining in here at the 5ers Futures. First of all, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click on the thingy, that bells, that you will get notified every time we are sending or uploading a new video and having live stream. Of course, we're going to do a lot of live tradings together every single week. We're going to do a lot of videos. We already have a few. David did an amazing job and still does. So David, let's take it away from here. Share a little bit about your background, introduce yourself, and we will go from there.
All right, very good. Again, happy birthday to the 5ers. It's 10 years of anything is a great achievement. So I'm very happy to be part of the family now and part of the journey. I want to welcome all the traders who've been asking, when are the futures coming? When are the futures coming? Well, the future is finally here. The future is here for you. So a little bit about me. I've been trading since 2019. I discovered trading randomly on YouTube, watching a video, funny enough. It's that we're live on YouTube showing this. Yeah. And it's been a passion and an obsession for me for the past, I would say, 6 years now. I started with stocks, crypto, and futures more or less around the same time. I bounced around a little bit before finally finding my home in futures, and that's where we are now. Now, I have prepared a presentation for you. I know a lot of the 5ers users are coming from the CFD background. They're coming from Forex. And the idea we have here at the 5ers, like it was mentioned previously, is that we want you to be unlimited. We want you to have a large portfolio and be able to trade whatever you want. All right. That's why the 5ers is here. We started in the Forex world. We expanded into the stocks world. And now we are into futures because we think you shouldn't be limited. Don't you agree, Michael?
For sure, 100%. And while you're at it, by the way, let us know in the chat if you trade in futures already or you only trade in Forex stocks. So it will be good for us as well to communicate with you guys. But go ahead, David.
Exactly. So here I've prepared a very quick presentation for everybody who's hesitating, who's maybe on the fence and not sure. I've done the jump and I think you should too. So why should you step into futures? Well, first of all, it's transparency and trust. First of all, trust for the 5ers, because that's the key word here. And that's why I am the part of the team. You can see these are real people behind a real company that has a really long track record. That is one thing that attracted me to the firm, is that I could see real people behind the brand. And with futures, you have the same thing because it's one centralized exchange. I know some people with CFDs are worried about spreads and things like that, even though it's not an issue with the 5ers. With futures, you are getting the same data. So first keyword is transparency and trust. And then as a trader, we love leverage. And man, do we get leverage on futures. So that's great. You're also trading real assets. So indices, metals, energy, everything at your disposal, and deep liquidity. Now, back in the day when I used to trade stocks, which I still do, and traded small caps, sometimes you would have liquidity issues. And we don't have that with futures. On top of it, 24/5 access. So from 6 p.m. Sunday all the way into Friday afternoon, you can trade it all the time. And then, Michael, the big thing, you remember what I told you? Overnight holds. This is a game changer, guys. Overnight holds. Don't you agree, Michael?
100%. First time in the industry of the futures, prop firm futures, we allow overnight trading, and we will get to that, of course, later on in depth.
Yes.
When we will talk about the programs.
Exactly. So let's keep it moving really fast. So futures have been around for a very, very long time, for those who don't know, all the way back in the 1700s. It started with rice futures way back in Japan and evolved. Now let's get into the contracts a little bit so you guys can understand. So futures moves in ticks and points, right? The tick is the smallest move the futures can make. In futures, you're talking about contracts instead of lots, or you're talking about contracts instead of shares for stocks, right? And the most commonly known futures are the ES, which is the S&P 500, and the MES, which is a smaller version of the same contract. And we also have our energy futures contracts, so crude oil and micro crude oil. All these are available with us. We also have, like I mentioned, metals and currency futures for all of my FX guys out there. So the 6E would be the equivalent to the euro, 6B British pound, etc. And we have the definitions here, and you'll be able to see them on the platform. And like we mentioned, we are offering now two programs, the Basecamp and the Rebate. Basecamp, we said, was better for beginners, correct, Michael?
Yeah, for sure. Easier to start with, lower barrier, lower cost to start with, basically. So this is why you want to go slowly at first. If you're more advanced, you can easily go to the Rebate, yeah.
Exactly. Keyword there, slowly and start small, like I've been hammering on the videos. This is the thing that burned me at first, is I was trading way too big, and most beginners make that same mistake. So start small. And we have our superb and insanely fast Black Arrow platform, which I'm going to showcase and jump right into. So let me just switch the screen there. I have my live platform on, and we can see Black Arrow. What's been your first impression of Black Arrow, Michael?
I mean, Black Arrow is a great tool. We basically use it. If you can, guys in the back, can show Black Arrow right now. I think David just shared it, and we currently only seen the slide. So if you can,
it's live now.
You guys seen it? Okay, so my one got a technical issue. Anyway, Black Arrow is a great platform. Lots of features, lots of tools. You will find everything that you need in order to trade properly there, for sure. You got the hotkeys as well. Super intuitive. One click to enter, one click to exit.
Very interesting. Yes, I can give a quick tour to the viewers of the platform. So, as any standard software, you have your main menu at the top. You have all your tabs here with the charts, the times, the news, which is a great feature I have. When you click there and you select it, I have my news right there in front of me. So you know how news affects the markets. And also, great advantage here at the 5ers, you are able to trade during the news, which is a great feature. So you want to be able to know what's going on. And then, speaking of shortcuts, you can click shift on your keyboard and select here, and you can automatically have your risk parameters show up. Now, I'm going to show you an additional great feature, is that once you click, if you're a Forex trader and you're not used to the contract sizes, you can click here and automatically see what percentage you're risking, or you can see it in pips, or you can see it in ticks, or you can see it in points. So the platform is ready, made for anybody making a transition. It's a great feature that I really like with it. You can get into your ordering tab here and set your risk parameters. You can set it in ticks, in cash, in percentage. You can add any types of brackets you want. So it's really a great platform. Anything you would expect from a professional platform. You also have your list of tickers right there that comes standard. Everything you can trade. You can look for them just by clicking the plus button there. And the interesting thing I like about this is that, for example, if I'm looking for the ES contract, I can go to futures and it will tell me what is the current contract in green and what is the contract that is coming up. So for those who don't know about futures, futures contract reach an expiration date and you want to trade the current contract, and when the rollover happens, switch to the next contract. Now, right now, we are looking at the ES. We could go and look at maybe a Forex pair, like the 6E, and select it. And now I have it on my chart. And like I said, risk parameters wise, you can click on your chart and you will see what you are risking. Now, I'm looking at the chat and I'm checking out what questions people may have. It says, do we offer micro contracts? Yes, we do offer micro contracts. They are here readily available. You can just go select, look for them.
All right.
You're looking for the MES right there. So yes, we do offer micro contracts. I was just
100%.
looking at the chat really quick. Some people are already asking questions.
Yeah. So David, can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear.
Amazing. Yeah, for sure. The platform, first of all, guys, we have a huge library of tutorial videos for the trading platform. Every single thing that you need is covered in those videos. That's actually Black Arrow videos that they did an amazing job, I gotta say. And you can definitely check it out. It's on our YouTube channel and also gonna be available to you on our social media as well. And of course, we got the guys in the support department that will definitely can help for any other question. We will trade it almost throughout the week. So you will see David trade and play with it, and you can continue to ask him questions about it. David, we can jump through the questions.
Sure.
The guys in the back, Johnny, if you can bring out some questions, and you guys can write in the chat anything that you like, and then and we can go over the futures page, we can call it that way, and show the guys the details of the programs as well.
No problem at all. I see a question here. How many accounts can we purchase in copy trade? I'll let you take that one, Michael.
For sure. So first of all, you can simultaneously, you can have two accounts right there, and you can purchase both simultaneously, and you can also copy trade between them as well.
Exactly. So I'm also seeing another question here. Do we trade in gold? I'm going to answer that one. Yes, you can trade gold. Definitely. You can trade the micros, you can trade the minis, and I'll even show you where to reach them. You can click your plus sign here. The code for gold is GC. So GC, and then you will find your current contract. And if you want to trade in micros, keep your size small, you just add an M and you will find the contract there. Select it, put your time frame, and it will show up on your chart.
Okay.
It says, could you explain the buying power increase?
I lost you for a second, David. Hopefully the guys at home.
Okay. Let's see it in the chat. Are you hearing us loud and clear?
Yes. Now it's good. Yeah.
All right, perfect. I was just showing how we could select the gold contract, and now I see another question. Could we explain the buying power increase on scaling?
Yeah, I'll do that. So the buying power goes like this. Let's say you start with a 50K account, right? Base camp or the rebate, doesn't matter. Both of them have a scaling plan. So you took the 50K, you need to reach 10% in order to be eligible for scaling, meaning to make $5,000 of profit. Once you did that, we will disable the account, open a new account with a different buying power, a different balance basically, and different max size mini contracts and micro contracts. So for example, on the 50K, when you reach the 55,000, we will boost your buying power by 5%. The 50K will be boosted by 5%. So your balance will be 52,500. Your contract size will bump up as well from 4 contracts, from 4 minis to 5 minis. And instead of 40 micros, it will be 50 micros, right? And
Exactly.
we will, of course, add your credits, your profit to the next account as well. So you will start with much higher balance on the next scaled account. And of course, you can continue to grow it and compounding basically the balance, the buying power, and the contract size all the way to $500,000, which is huge, guys.
That is insane, guys. All I can hear right now is exponential gains, exponential returns, okay? Not only are we trading futures that have inherent leverage, you just heard it from the man himself. You can scale and grow your account to $500,000. This is insane, guys. This is insane buying power. This is very, very great for anybody who is trying to grow with consistency and discipline, of course. But this is amazing. I think it is a great offer from us, the 5ers, to you, unheard of in the industry. So the more disciplined you are, the more you will grow. And the more you grow, the bigger your account will get. I think this is a great thing. Now, activation fees. They're asking about activation fees.
Yeah. Go ahead.
No, I was going to say we have 2 program offers, one that has activation fees and one who does not. So we have options there for everyone.
Yeah, so you start with the base game. If you go with the base game, basically you start with a low cost. Once you fund it, only once you fund it, you will add the activation fee to it. Or if you start with the rebate, the program that we are basically rebating all your commissions, fully commissioned back, there is no activation fee. It's actually a one-time fee. This is also something quite new. Some of the companies already doing that, but it's still very fresh. No monthly fee. We're talking about only one-time fee,
Exactly.
which is still great. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that is amazing. We've had that question a lot on the Discord, people asking if it's a monthly fee or not. No, guys, it is a one-time fee. It's a one and done. I will also add to that question. Some people have been asking, do they have to actually pay for the platform after they've got into the program? I know the answer, but I want you to answer, Michael.
Right. So there is no extra fee on top of that. This is a one-time fee.
Amazing.
For the rebate, if you want to go with the activation, low cost at first, and then add the activation, that's totally fine as well. But there is nothing else that you need to pay for. We also provide you with the data as well from the CME, of course, the full book. So we cover
Exactly.
that.
So that is amazing, guys. That is just amazing that you only have to pay once and you're done. That is unheard of in the industry. So if you don't want to pay an activation fee, you don't have to. You choose the right program. You do not have to pay for the platform, and you get all the data bundled in with the Black Arrow platform. So I think this is just amazing, unheard of in the industry. Somebody is asking for Trade-Evate. I'll take that one. No Trade-Evate. Black Arrow it is. This is what we're sticking with. This is the platform we're using. It is an amazing platform. I've been using it for the past couple months, actually. So I think it's a great platform. Very, very fast. I'm impressed by the speed. As somebody who trades, day trades and day trades sometimes on the lower time frames, I think it's a great platform.
For sure, 100%.
All
What
right.
else we got? Yeah.
They're asking about payouts. So weekly payouts or no?
Right. So we're doing exactly as the Fivers and what we do at Trader Pool as well. We're doing a bi-weekly payouts, meaning every 2 weeks you can ask your withdrawal, basically withdraw your profits, and within 48 to 72 hours, or at least 3 business days, you will get your payout to your bank.
Exactly. So here at the Fivers, guys, we're not here about we're here about discipline. We're here about trust and discipline, and we're here about regular payouts. So you won't see us running huge promos, doing crazy things about getting 100 accounts and things like that. This is not promoting disciplined trading. So bi-weekly payouts, they work for me, and I think they'll work for you too. Okay, they're asking what are the various account sizes you offer. So for now, we are offering 2 account sizes, 2 account types, and we will start with the 25K and the 50K. Can you hear me, Michael? All right, I think we
Yes,
got
loud and
cut
clear.
off for a second. Okay, very good. Yes, we are starting off. I was just answering that we are starting off with 2 account sizes for the moment.
Yep, exactly. And if we have more questions, feel free to drop them again in the chat. While you're doing that, I'm going to share my screen and let's go over some of the stuff that we offer on the futures side.
And just before you share your screen, I'm going to answer that question. Yes, volume profile is there. It's I just showed it, just added it really quickly to my chart. For all my futures traders, volume profile is important. And yes, we have tons of indicators for you built in by default right in the platform.
Amazing. Rami, can you bring out the screen? Okay, so we're gonna go over the programs basically. Let's go a little bit in depth to the details because I know you guys. I'm sure you want to know the max drawdown, the target, etc. So let's dive into that. So first of all, as we mentioned a few minutes ago in the Fivers, the CFD side, let's talk a little bit about the huge benefits. And we always like to innovate when it comes to what we do. It doesn't matter if it's programs or competitions or anything like that. We're always looking to think outside the box to bring you new stuff in. So first of all, as we spoke about the overnight holding, that's an incredible change in the industry. At the end of the day, right, David? At the end of the day, it's amazing for a NASDAQ trader.
It is amazing.
You all the time, holding it on CFDs. Now I can do that on real futures. Amazing opportunity for sure, definitely in today's market, right?
Definitely. I think I had the opportunity the other day of holding a position for 2 days, and I was holding it ahead of the news, so I didn't have to worry about the news. I could continue to trade, and I didn't have to close my position during the news. So I think this is amazing.
Yeah. News trading, speaking about news, so news trading also allowed, guys, you can hold your position before, 1 minute before, 30 seconds before, or 10 hours before. At the end of the day, we want to give you the entire scope to trade properly the way you see it without any stricted rules like news, for example, because news, at the end of the day, news are part of our trading, right?
Exactly.
So it doesn't make sense to block that. We do have the commission rebate as mentioned on one of our platforms, meaning one of our programs, meaning we will rebate fully commission to your account at the end of each day.
Amazing.
Yeah, I mean, you've been trading for a while, Dave, right?
Yes. I actually have an anecdote regarding commissions. I remember taking taking a short, coming out profitable, and then thinking I was profitable. And after the day closed, I realized because of commissions, I lost in profit. And I ended up the day red just because of commission. So I think getting that is amazing for anybody who's trading. Sometimes the commissions are what cut you. So being able to be commission free, I think is a great opportunity that for traders, especially if you're beginning.
For sure, for sure. And also, as mentioned before, the scaling plan, first of a kind, first ever scaling plan on futures market. Build your account, continue to grow it all the way to $500,000. Definitely an incredible add-on.
Yes.
Alrighty, as mentioned, we have two programs, Basecamp and the rebate, 25 or 50. You can purchase two simultaneously. You can copy trade between them as well. Let's talk a little bit about the numbers here. First of all, we're talking about the Basecamp 25K. So you start with a 25, you pay only $50 at first. So I mean, for those of you new to trading, new to futures trading, or generally to trading, start definitely with that. An easy start, right? Only $50, 6% to the target, 3 to the max drawdown, and it's an end of day max loss. So you don't have any max daily loss, right?
Yes.
So it's only a max loss, max drawdown, and we will update it. We will trail it at the end of each day. We're not going to interrupt during your day. So if you're down more, it's not going to affect your trading. Every single day, at the end of the day, we will update the max loss.
Yeah. If I could just add to that, Michael, because we've been getting that question a lot about the trailing drawdown, and I think there's a confusion. I want it to be very clear, guys. It is end of day drawdown. It is not an intraday, meaning it's not trailing you during the day. It is there's an end of day cutoff.
For sure, for sure. Consistency rule per position, 30%. And I'm going to address that for a second and talk about the elephant in the room. You know, we are very familiar in the futures industry. It's very common to have a consistency rule, 30%, 20%, 40%. Each company will do it differently. We are doing it per position. The idea, and we do that also on Trade a Pool, the main idea of consistency rule is to just prove yourself, you know, show that you can be consistent. It's super easy to click the mouse key and have a great trade or just great profit, big profit, just because the market went to your favor or just because you took it on the news or whatnot. Every time you click the mouse key, you got 50% to make it, right? So we're not looking for, and this is definitely the DNA of the company, we are not looking for the gamblers. We are not looking for the swing for the fences. Trade properly, trade consistently, and you will get paid. You can, as the guys mentioned before, trust is the first priority of us, and we show that for the last 10 years. And if you show that you are an eligible trader and someone that can make it in the market, you will definitely reach those profits and get them. Right?
Exactly, exactly. That is the second question we've been getting a lot, the 30% consistency rule. Guys, it's very easy to calculate. You take your total profit, you multiply it by 0.30, and it gives you your number. It's very simple. It's not a daily consistency, it's per position. So it will help you to trade consistently, especially for beginners. 3 things you need to do is be consistent, and be consistent.
Stay consistent, yeah. Exactly. And I can tell you, you know, from the Trade Pool side, stock industry that we have a prop firm, of course, that you're probably familiar with.
Of course.
I've been interviewing a lot of our guys, and if there is one thing they always continue to mention is the fact that that consistency rule build them as traders.
Indeed.
And take them to the next level.
Of course.
Going to the commissions, so in that case, the Basecamp, you got full commissions, classic one, also cheaper than what most companies will charge you, so it's lower than the industry benchmark, but it's still, you're paying the full commission for that. Contract size, 2 mini, 20 micros, we're talking about the 25K. And of course, it's an evaluation, so there is no extra add-on on top of that, only the $50 that you pay in advance. When going to the funded stage, you will have to add $70 extra for the activation fee. The rest of the stuff, the rest of the parameters remain the same. The only thing that is adding is basically the target, of course, for the payout. So you will make 4%, and then you will be eligible to get your payout, basically.
Exactly.
Amazing. Anything to add on that, Dave?
No, I think it's very good. Now, just to remind everyone, you're starting off with two minis and 20 micros, but remember, you can scale that account. So for people who have been asking, this is not going to be the limit. The limit really depends on you and how you can consistently grow your account all the way up to, I repeat, $500,000, guys. That's a big number.
For sure, for sure. And going, of course, you got the 50K that you can start with, same parameters, a little bit different on the contract size, so double basically 4 minis, but the target, the max, the consistency remains the same. Price, obviously it's a 50K, a bit more. But if I'm going to the rebate account, let's take the 50K for example. So first of all, it's a one-time, a one and done, as Dave mentioned. $300 for the 50K, 6%, 3%, exactly as we just talked about on the base camp, but you get the full rebate. We talked about it. This is gonna do some waves, right? I mean, at the end of the day, if you're an active trader, full rebate, and the end of each day, it's a mind-blowing for me as a trader, for sure.
Of course, it is amazing, especially for somebody for me who is an active trader, and on a very opportunistic day, I could take 10 trades in a day. Multiple round trips. So I think this rebate is a great thing from the program.
Amazing. So of course, like here, you got the 25 and the 50 that you can choose, and also, as the base camp, you can grow your account, continue to scale. Every 10%, we will bump up your buying power, bump up the number of contracts you can trade. That could easily, imagine trading with not 4 minis, right, on your funded account, but 10, 15, 20 minis, 30 minis that you can actually trade on one account. That's insane money.
It's insane.
For sure. Alrighty. So scrolling a little bit, of course, get to that page. You can see all the information you need, all the nitty-gritty stuff. And like I said, and you can also read about the scaling plan right here. With an example, everything that relevance to you. And the FAQs, make sure you read it, go carefully over the rules, and start slow. That's the main thing, right? You don't want to rush it too much. Learn the program, learn the trading platform, and then start trading.
Indeed.
Yeah. And go ahead, Dave.
No, on a side note, I wanted to, since we're throwing out a bunch of surprises, and I don't want to forget, for everybody who's beginning and who's new to futures, we have created this amazing ebook. We've just dropped it in the chat. So you guys go download that. It's going to tell you the history of futures. Is going to explain the contracts, the exchange, the size of the contracts. And guess what? There are even trading strategies in there featuring, of course, our new platform, Black Arrow. So you can get trading strategies and how to apply them in the futures market. So I didn't want to forget to mention that. The ebook is in the chat and in the description.
100%. That's a great one. And this is also for intermediate and even advanced. We added a lot of information, a lot of trading strategies, risk management into that. So make sure you download it. Again, guys, subscribe to this channel. We're going to start live trading. We're going to bring guests with us, great traders from all across the world to share their knowledge and information. We're going to do, of course, funded traders interviews and many, many more videos, content for you guys to learn and accelerate your trading. So make sure you subscribe and click that bell to notify you whenever we upload in a new video.
Exactly. Let me quickly address a question that I just saw there. They're asking, is there a mobile app? Yes, there is a mobile version of Black Arrow. You can trade on your phone. So no issues there. You can trade on your desktop, trade on your phone, unlimited possibilities with us.
For sure, for sure. Do we have any other questions, or we will finish here?
I was just scanning. I think we can wrap it up. I just have one last question, and that one is for Michael. NQ or ES, Michael?
You know me, NQ guy for sure.
That's it. That's it. That is the correct answer.
Alrighty, guys. Make sure you go to our hub at the5ers.com, hub.the5ers.com, so you can sign up, register whenever we're ready, whenever your turn will arrive. We will send you an email, tell you that, and then you can go ahead and purchase one of the accounts. Depends on your personality, and that's it. Let's do that.
All right, very good, guys. So go sign up. Don't hesitate. Once you sign up, remember to go into our Discord page. We're building this amazing community so we can trade futures with confidence together. And as usual, I will see you in the markets.
Let's go. Thanks so much,
All
Dave.
right.